Hi, I'm John's dad. Thanks for coming to my backpacking channel. We cover everything related to backpacking here. We do trip reports, we look at equipment, we talk about tricks and hacks, and I like to take a big bite out of backcountry food. There's always something new coming out of my kitchen. 2023 is shaping up to be an exciting year for me. You'll see videos on my normal typical destinations. I'll be hiking another couple weeks on the Appalachian Trail. This time though, I'm moving up further into New England. So that's going to be a lot of fun for me. Special treats for you this year include the Allegheny Front Trail in Pennsylvania, sections of the Ice Age Trail in Wisconsin, Red River Gorge in Kentucky, Mount Batur on Bali, Indonesia, and 2-week trip to Talkeetna in Alaska. That will be a father-son trip. I'll be going along with John's dad's son, so you get to see him a lot more this summer. This spring, a long series on through hiking the King's Trail or Kungsleden in Sweden is coming out. I through hiked that trail about a year ago, and I've spent the time since then pulling together the videos and all the information to compile a book on hiking the King's Trail. Both of those are being released later this spring. Hope you enjoy those. If you do have questions about anything, please leave a comment down below. I read all the comments and I respond to all of them. So I appreciate your input and feedback. See you after later.